Lego P1. In today's Lego class, students unlocked creativity one brick at a time. Our Lego class ignited imagination with the Spike Essential Kit. From simple structures to complex creations, students explored the fundamentals of design and engineering whilst having a blast. The students used problem solving, critical thinking, spatial awareness and collaborative skills whilst doing this in a fun way.
STEM, I wanna be a scientist. STEM, I wanna be a technologist. STEM, I wanna be an engineer. STEM, I wanna be a mathematician. I want to help build the future. And I want to help build the future. STEM. Let's have fun and learn STEM at Mark for Future. STEM, I wanna be a scientist. STEM, I wanna be a technologist. STEM, I wanna be an engineer. STEM.